This is the part 4 of how to properly think or take decision in our life so that we don't get regret when we at our 90s and in our age of 100. Can you imagine? You will never regret it. So, number one principle is Occam's razor. I hope you heard this thing, Occam's razor. If you didn't know what is this, don't worry, I will tell you. Got it. So, Occam's razor says that, bro, make it so simple. You don't need to be make so complicated. Got it? You don't need to make complicated. You just need to give me a simple answer of anything. Anything. You don't need to make lots of dramas in your life. You don't need to create stories in your life. You just need to tell me what it is. Just tell me this thing. You remember, human love and enjoy it when they create a story like they hurt me, then I get frightened, then this and that, then this and that. You just need to say, you beat me. It is as simple as that. Occam's razor will really help you in every area of your life. It says, you already know about what it says. It says, make it simple, make it clear, make it as simple as a 5-year-old boy or girl can understand what you're really trying to say to me. Got it? As simple. You don't need to feel intellectually intelligent or good. You just need to tell a straightforward answer. You don't need to be circle. Don't make your thought unclear, ambiguous. Don't make any word, sentence unclear. Try to make as simple as you can. And if you can't make it simple, that's mean you didn't understand this properly. Like even Albert Einstein said that if you can't explain something in simple terms or a 10-year-old boy, then you didn't understand that particular thing. That's why you have to understand it, that you need to make it as simple as that. I gave you example, don't worry. Most of big people say, like a company, okay, their sale has declining too fast. Some no, A says that A says that because of algorithm, because of something like lots of problems in economy, because of tariff, this and that. Got it. But the person B says that really so simple. He says that, sir, our sales are declining because our ads are not performing good. We are not making good ads. That's why our sales are declining so fast. Our customer feel bad. They didn't get quality of product. They give so much money. The product is so expensive, but the quality of this product is really so bad. That's why our product sales are declining day by day. So because of that, we should do lots of things. First, we understand how we can make good ads so that it performs so well. How we make good products and quality products so that our customer feel good to paying high price. They feel, okay, I paid enough price and I get enough quality of product. Got it? I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Person A make it so complicated, but person B who tackled at a point, he didn't just go there and there and there and here there. They just one point focus like, this is the problem. This is the problem. This is the problem. I'm not saying you are a problem. No, no. I'm saying this is the problem. Got it? I hope you understand. And second is Helen's razor. I know you. It sounds similar. Maybe it might be his brother or friend. Helen's razor says that our human mind try to make it is similar but not same. Make stories to feel good or bad. I give you example. Like you are texting a person like, hey, how are you, my friend? Long time no see. And you are waiting. 1 hour goes, 10 hour, 1 day goes, and you didn't get reply. So you think, he's ignoring me. He's ignoring me. He don't like me. He don't like me. He's disrespecting me. He don't respect me. He's so bad person. I will never talk. See how your mind creates a story and how he put context. Even though it is so simple to understand, he might be busy. That's why he's not texting me. I don't need to make so complicated, but our human mind make it so complicated. So you have to understand this fact. You don't need to never ever do this. Whenever someone is not replying you or not ignoring you, so try to understand you did something mistake. And if nobody replying you, you might be bothering them or they are kind of busy. You have to understand this simple truth. This simple truth. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Our mind is so powerful. It make it so much stories. You don't need to get stuck in those stories. Got it?